Premium jersey 74. Premium jersey 74. Ray 3, Sergio 1 division, Kevin a division, Corey with 3 divisions. Alright guys, 5 times. We'll mix it on up. Paste in column B next to the 8 divisions. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Corey, you're on top. Corey on the bottom 5 times. Corey, AFC North. Corey, NFC North. Sergio, AFC South. Kevin, NFC South. Raid, AFC East, NFC East, AFC West. Corey, NFC West. Alright, guys. There you go. Alright, Craig, got the last 3. Did either of them text you back? Put their face in some milk cartons. That's funny. That's funny. Oh, okay. Well, screw him then. He never texted, messaged me back. He used to be the first one on every night. I haven't seen him in weeks. Yeah, I'm sure. He's always the life of a professional poker player, man. Alright, here we go. See what we got. Hey, nice. Christian McCaffrey jersey. Christian McCaffrey jersey. Keep pounding. PAAS. Yeah, Dave. 306. Oh man, 69. That's what I'm talking about. 30691. Keep pounding. Christian McCaffrey. Autograph football jersey. Size 48. Keep pounding. Christian McCaffrey. Cool. Christian McCaffrey autograph football jersey. Cool, cool, cool. Christian McCaffrey. Cool, cool, cool. Carolina, NFC South. Jesus, come on. NFC South. All right. Who has the NFC South? NFC South. Kev, there you go, man. You have the NFC South. NFC South. Going to Kev. There you go, man. Very nice hit. Column C, 5 times, ram.org, guys. The next premium jersey has 26 left. 5 times, ram.org. Let's get it. Whoever's on top's getting that free spot. Autograph mini helmet giveaway. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Raid. You're on top, man. Premium 74. You got yourself a free spot. Premium 74. Very cool. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. Please subscribe down below. Never miss a live break. Very nice Christian McCaffrey autograph jersey. Appreciate it. Thanks again.